Smoking is an unhealthy behavior that can become an addiction. It includes all forms of smoking, direct and indirect. Secondhand smoking. All forms of smoking are harmful and there is no form of safe or safer smoking. The World Health Organization WHO launched a global campaign for World No Tobacco Day 2021, Commit to Quit. We believe that young minds are more impressionable than adults. So, in order to become more effective in the fight against tobacco, teenagers should be the focus of our work. Statistically, smoking is on rise among teens. The common cause of teen smoking is peer pressure and want to improve self-image. At this stage of their lives, teens begin to exert their independence from their parents, often bonding more closely with their peers. Smoking habit usually develops due to curiosity, trying out adult behaviors and rules. Before adulthood, cognitive and affective skills are not fully developed in teenagers. So apart from obvious health issues, smoking also have many unfortunate consequences for teenagers. Due to the high costs, teenagers usually end up buying their cigarettes in credit from their local vendors, which also affects their financial status. The prevalence of smoking is highest in the northeastern states along with Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Although most smokers who successfully quit smoking do so on their own, many use cessation programs at some point during their smoking history. Moreover, most people act on the advice of a health personnel in deciding to quit. Counseling, voluntarily and commercial clinics, nicotine replacement strategies, and intervention from family and friends. According to Global Adult Tobacco Survey (GATS2), 19% of men, 2% of women, and 99.5 million of adults currently smoke tobacco. Prevalence of tobacco users in India has decreased in percentage. Expenditure on cigarette and BD has seen an increase in the year 2016-2017 according to GATS2.